Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about Jupiter getting retrograde in the sign of Aquarius. Jupiter gets retrograde on the 20th of June 2021 in the Aquarius zodiac sign. And it is gonna remain retrograde until 18th October 2021. But on the 14th of September 2021, Jupiter will be moving from the Aquarius sign into the Capricorn sign, where Saturn is already there. Jupiter is gonna complete its retrogradation in the Capricorn sign on the 18th of October 2021. Well, Jupiter represents religion, spiritualism, righteousness, morality, education, wisdom, intelligence, wealth, money, etc., etc., etc. So during this time, all these things which I have just spoken about are gonna come in the limelight. At this point in time, people are gonna move strongly towards religion, spiritualism, righteousness, wisdom, intelligence, wealth, and money. They are gonna be aggressively pursuing their dreams in the things which I have spoken about. If people were having some grudges against some people, they are gonna let go of that feeling at this moment. They are not gonna show their resentment at this point in time. They are not gonna have that ill feeling in them at this point in time. And they are gonna forgive those people if they have done anything wrong to them. If they feel a sense of indignation at this point in time, they are gonna forget about that. And they are gonna move forward with their own life. Instead of holding a grudge and ill feeling, resentment towards others, they are gonna think about themselves at this point in time. They are gonna work on themselves at this point in time. And they are gonna use many tools to improve their life at this moment. And one of the primary things which people are gonna use at this point in time to improve their life, to improve their quality of their mind, would be taking help of religion and spiritualism. People are gonna realize at this particular moment that they are on this planet Earth not because of their doings, but because of God's grace and mercy. They are gonna realize that there is a superpower, a supernatural power above them who is ruling them. People are gonna realize that they are the puppets and God is the puppeteer. People are gonna understand and know that without the touch of God, nothing is possible. Even an atheist at this point in time will realize it is time for him or her to take the help of God, to invoke God in his or her life. And with this faith and belief in you, you are going to work in this world towards things which you want in this world. You are gonna use your wisdom and intelligence at this point in time to create wealth and earn money during this time. And probably if you have a lot of money, you will think it is time for you to do some charity. It is time for you to help the poor and needy. And if you do this deed during this time, let me assure you all that success cannot elude you for a very long time. Because of these charities and good deeds, Jupiter, the planet Jupiter, is gonna give you fabulous results in the field of money, wealth, etc., etc., etc. So if you want material success in this world, if you want monetary success in this world, if you want to accumulate wealth in this world, utilize this time to do good deeds, and you will see that the results you will get will be very positive for you in your life. Well, now let me start predicting about all moon signs, all ascendant signs. Let me start with people who have an Aries moon sign or an Aries ascendant sign, or maybe both. So for Aries moon sign, Aries ascendant people, this retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your 11th house. So during this time, you will be totally focused on earning money. Your mind and soul is gonna work towards earning money at this point in time. And you are gonna make some very humongous efforts to fulfill all your desires and all your wishes in your life at this particular moment. And as the retrogradation of Jupiter will be towards your 10th house, so you are gonna focus on your career at this point in time to fulfill all your wishes and desires at this point in time. You wouldn't be bothered about people at this point in time because you will be more busy with your own goals and dreams at this point in time. You are gonna be fired up to get monetary gains in your life at this point in time. So for Aries moon sign, Aries ascendant people, this time is all about earning money, accumulating money, and doing things which are best for you in your career. Well, for Taurus moon sign, Taurus ascendant people, let me tell you all that this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your 10th house in the Aquarius sign, and this particular retrogradation of Jupiter is gonna be in the house of your career, in the house of your karmas, in the house which indicates the calling on your life. I mean the 10th house which represents your work ethics, and this particular Jupiter's retrogradation will be towards your 9th house. So during this time you are gonna take help of God to move forward in life. You are gonna become very religious at this point in time. You are gonna read some scriptures, chant some mantras, find a guru, or consult your elders or a guru who will guide you in these times to move forward in life. So you have to listen to your elders and elderly at this point in time if you want to move forward in life, in terms of your career, in terms of religion, in terms of spiritualism at this point in time. Your entire focus, your entire concentration at this point in time would be your career. Even if you don't get paid handsomely for what you are doing, you are gonna do that. And you are gonna excel at this point in time. You are gonna get recognized for the work you are doing at this point in time. You are gonna tread on the path of righteousness at this moment. And you will feel that it is best for you to have those values and morals at this point in time. If you want to move forward in life, you will realize that these values and principles will make you move forward in life. Well, for Gemini moon sign, Gemini ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your 9th house. And this retrogradation of Jupiter is gonna also influence, also impact your 8th house. So during this time, you will feel a change in your life, a major transformation in your life. That transformation could be in your career. That transformation could be in your relationship. That transformation could be related to your job, your profession, your business at this point in time. And you are gonna adapt to those changes very easily. These changes which you make in your life are gonna ensure that you will see success in the future. Don't try to ignore these changes in your life. Don't try to avoid these transformations in your life. Rather, I'd suggest you all to adapt to these changes, because these changes which you make are gonna crystallize into something beautiful in the future for you. You are gonna show a lot of mental resiliency at this point in time to ensure that you succeed in your life later on. Well, for Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your 8th house, and the motion of this retrogradation Jupiter will be towards your 7th house. I mean, it is gonna impact and influence your 7th house as well. So the houses which are gonna get impacted at this point in time in your horoscope are your 8th house and 7th house. Well, for Cancer moon sign, Cancer ascendant people, your focus will be on improving your relationship with your spouse at this moment. If you are having a strained relationship with your spouse, then you are gonna work towards that relationship at this moment. If you are having a partner in your business, you are gonna work towards maintaining a good relationship with that partner at this point in time. Your efforts during this time are gonna yield a lot of profits for you. I mean, that effort could be in any area of your life, in any arena of your life, in any space of your life. So your effort at this moment is of prime importance. So focus on your efforts at this point in time. There are gonna be some unknown people who are gonna help you at this moment. I mean, the people you had never met before, and you are gonna come into their connection at this point in time, and they are gonna help you in every field of your life. You just need to open your heart with them at this point in time if you want help from them. Well, for Leo moon sign, Leo ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your 7th house, and the impact of this retrogradation will be towards your 6th house. So the houses which are gonna get affected at this point in time will be your 6th house as well as your 7th house. Well, during this time you are gonna make peace with your enemies. You are gonna make truce with your enemies at this point in time. Maybe you will not be holding any sort of grudges once this retrogradation of Jupiter ends. You are gonna explain to yourself that it is better for you to remove those baggages of grudges which you are carrying on your shoulders. You will feel much lighter in your mind once you remove these baggages from your shoulders at this point in time. You will think it is better to forgive others than holding on to those grudges, those ill feelings for others at this point in time. Resentment will be a thing of the past for you at this particular moment. Another thing of paramount importance at this point in time will be your health. You are gonna take extreme good care of your health at this point in time, as you will feel that this is the only vehicle which is there for you to take you across this life. You will understand and know the importance of your health at this point in time. You will realize that health is wealth. So you are gonna give a lot of importance to your health at this point in time. Well, for Virgo moon sign, Virgo ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your 6th house, and it will be impacting the 6th house as well as your 5th house. I mean, it is gonna influence your 6th house as well as your 5th house. So during this time, your focus will be to develop yourself, to learn something new at this particular moment, to read more at this moment so that you become more intelligent and wise. You are gonna utilize your wisdom and talent at this moment to move forward in life, to make things happen in life, to manifest things for yourself in life. Your wisdom and intelligence is gonna help you at this point in time to conquer things which you hadn't conquered until now. You are gonna be determined to manifest things in your life at this particular moment. This manifestation which you are craving for could be in any area of your life, in any sphere of your life. You are gonna make a determined, conscious and a deliberate attempt to make sure that you get what you want in life at this particular moment? Well, for Libra moon sign, Libra ascendant people, this particular Jupiter will be in your fifth house. I mean, the retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your fifth house, and it is gonna impact and influence your fourth house as well. So your main focus at this point in time will be your mental health. You are gonna keep a watch on the thoughts which are entering your mind. You are gonna be very cautious about the things which you fill your mind with. You are gonna understand and know that even if you can't control the thoughts which are coming in your mind, you are capable enough to control those thoughts which you dwell on. So you will be dwelling on those positive thoughts at this moment, and these positive thoughts are gonna take you further in your life. It is gonna show you new roads of success at this point in time. Your success will be primarily dependent on your positive thoughts at this point in time, and you are gonna ensure that you think properly at this point in time. I mean, you are gonna only think about those positive thoughts which will propel you to move forward in your life. So your main focus at this point in time will be your mind and your thoughts. You are gonna sacrifice your comfort for the well-being of others. If you have 10 bucks in your pocket, then at this point in time you will be willing to give $2 to other people, I mean, who are in need of this money. So you are gonna do some philanthropy and charity at this point in time, which is gonna make you stronger emotionally and spiritually. Well, for Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, this retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your fourth house, and it is gonna impact your fourth house as well as your third house. So at this point in time, you are gonna get very courageous. You are gonna get very determined about life at this point in time. You are gonna take some very important decisions at this point in time, which is gonna be beneficial to you. You are gonna communicate with your elders at this point in time, with your colleagues at this point in time, with your peers at this point in time, in order to improve yourself, in order to get what you want from life at this point in time. You are gonna get sanguine about life at this point in time, and your attitude towards life would be that it is now or never. You are gonna make this attitude of yours that it is now or never very clear to yourself at this point in time, and you are gonna make some sincere efforts in the now to see success during this time. If you have any younger siblings, you are gonna take help from them at this point in time, and they are gonna be very willing to help you at this particular moment. If you don't see any light at the end of the tunnel, my suggestion to you all would be to consult an elderly or an astrologer at this point in time, which could prove to be very beneficial for you in the long run. Well, for Sagittarius moon sign, Sagittarius ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your third house, and it is gonna influence your third house as well as your second house. So during this time, let me tell you all that your focus will be to accumulate wealth at this point in time, to accumulate money at this point in time, to make investments at this point in time, to accumulate money at this point in time, I mean to make fixed deposits at this point in time, to ensure a better future for yourself. You are gonna think about your future at this point in time. Even if you feel the end result of this life is zero, you will make efforts to save money for your family and for your near and dear ones at this point in time. The love which is gonna blossom in your heart at this point in time for your family will be appreciated by your family at this point in time, and they are gonna show a lot of love and respect for you for the things you are doing at this point in time. because of the previous karmas, previous good deeds you have done. You are gonna meet a person who is gonna help you to earn a lot of money in your life. So be on the lookout for that person during this time. Well, for Capricorn moon sign, Capricorn ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your second house. And the power of this Jupiter will be inclined also towards your ascendant or your moon sign. Well, y'all would be in a confused state of mind at this particular moment, because y'all will be having more than one option to choose in your life. I mean, you will be having many options to choose from in terms of your career at this particular moment. With your speech and your words, you will be able to influence people, and you would be admired by your near and dear ones, or by the people in your society, in your community. You'd be determined not to give up in life at this particular moment. Even though you might be facing a Sadesati at this moment, you wouldn't like to give up on yourself. Instead, you would be fighting to achieve what you want in life. You will be using many strategies in your life to move forward in life. Even if you are moving slowly towards your goals and dreams, you wouldn't mind that at this moment, because this particular retrograde Jupiter will give you enough patience, enough strength to endure everything. I mean, all the difficulties and problems in your life at this particular moment. You are gonna work very hard at this moment to achieve what you want to. All your health problems are gonna come to an end at this point in time. Well, for Aquarius moon sign, Aquarius ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter will be in your ascendant or over your moon sign. So this time is gonna be a time of extreme confidence. You are gonna get very confident about yourself at this point in time. And this particular retrogradation of Jupiter is gonna affect your ascendant, your moon sign lord, as well as your 12th house from your ascendant or moon sign. So during this time, you are gonna keep a watch on your expenses. You are gonna be very prudent and wise in spending money at this point in time. You are gonna cut down on your wasteful expenditure at this point in time. You are also gonna get inclined towards spiritualism and religion at this point in time, and you would be inclined towards learning about meditation, about mantras, about chants at this point in time. And if you do some chanting, if you meditate during this time, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter is gonna give you a lot of peace in your mind at this particular moment. You'll be able to learn about the intricacies of life better during this time, and you are gonna get mentally stronger at this point in time due to this Jupiter. Well, for Pisces moon sign, Pisces ascendant people, this particular retrogradation of Jupiter is gonna take place in your 12th house, and it is gonna impact your 12th house as well as your 11th house. So your focus during this time will be on learning something new, acquiring knowledge at this particular moment. You will realize that knowledge is the new currency in this world at this point in time, and you are gonna go all out to learn something new at this particular moment. It could be a new skill which you will be learning at this point in time. You would like to upgrade your skill at this point in time. You would try very hard to develop yourself at this point in time, so that you can face the challenges of life comfortably in the future. You are gonna use all the instruments and all the available resources you have at this moment to learn something new. And let me tell you that if you pursue to achieve your greatness at this point in time, you will be very successful in the future. Please do not take advice from others at this point in time, but listen to your own conscience at this point in time if you want to move forward in your life in the future. Well, this pretty much completes my analysis on Jupiter's retrogradation in the Aquarius sign. If you want specific predictions about yourself, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of a life. You will not get a chance to live this beautiful life once again. And besides that, if you want to earn money in your life, if you want to see success and prosperity in your life, if you want to experience richness in your life, if you want to be called a positive person in your life, if you want to experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is most important for human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month ahead and a great time ahead. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.